Guys, check this out. This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. Behind me is a 1993 Ford F250 diesel, 7.3. Let's go check it out. Completely restored, I would say decently restored, probably way above average of what you're looking at on any site on the internet. Super affordable price. You gotta check it out. I'm gonna tell you the site first to check it out on, so that way you don't forget by the end of the video. It's superiorwholesale.org or call 540-898-3025. We're gonna do a quick walk around so I can show you guys about it. It's a 7.3 diesel in damn near awesome condition. Two-tone white and burgundy with the pinstripe and beautiful wheels and tires. Check it out. The side, look at the body lines. The body lines are absolutely beautiful. You got the original Patriot XLT. The two-way windows right here. You can push the air in. I'm gonna walk around and show you guys the interior in just a second. The body line, two-tone burgundy and white. The bottom right here. I'm gonna look at the underside. Absolutely beautiful. Come over here, check this out. Wheels. You got pace wheels. The tires are decent, probably about 50-65% tread. The rear, I wouldn't say it's a perfect show truck, but I'll tell you, it's probably 90% above the average. Awesome truck for the money. You got the two fuel cells. You can switch on the dash from two different fuel cells. One here, one here. The storage box, the bed's in decent shape for the 1993 year. Awesome. This is the extended cab. So let's check out the interior, and then we're gonna move to the engine. Ready? I'll show you guys the video already. The miles, 217,000 maintained miles. It sounds absolutely beautiful. The interior is impeccable. The steering wheel is no rips in the steering wheel or nothing. The seats are in great shape. It is four-wheel drive. It's the stick lever on the floor right here. Okay. It's got electric trailer brake controller, single DIN CD player. It runs and drives great. Power windows, power locks. Little small crack there, but who cares? Let's go check under the hood, show you guys what's going on. Look at the door jam. Come on, check this out too. VIN number. Look at this. You can tell how original it is. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get a closer with that real quick. That way you guys can do your research, check it out. This will be available in about 24 hours on superiorwholesale.org. Okay? Check it out. Come on, look at the grill. The iconic 1993 old school grill. I love them. The hood's in decent shape. 7.3-liter diesel, dual batteries, runs and drives great. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough, and then we're gonna check the video of it. What you guys are waiting for? Hearing it take off. See you guys later. Once again, superiorwholesale.org and 540-898-3025. If you have any questions, I'm gonna take off so you guys can hear the truck. Ready? Let's go check it out.